Okay, I just want to take a quick video and show you today's IXL. So, sorry. Um, what you're doing is you're trying to prove that these triangles are congruent and tell them which postulate that you're using to prove it. And so you're going to look at the things that are marked in the order that they're marked and see what it makes. And if it makes one of these postulates, then you click that one. So this one would be angle, side, side. Remember, that makes inappropriate initials, so that is not one of our postulates. Which rule? Same thing. So this one is angle, side, angle, and that is one of my postulates. I have angle, side, side again. Nope. Angle, side, side. Okay, IXL thinks they're funny. So just as long as it's that one that spells inappropriate initials, it's a no-go. If it's anything else like this one would be side, side, side. So then you'll pick that one, and there you go. Okay?